Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the market's complexities for you. Today, October 19th, 2024, we're diving deep into Litecoin, to unearth potential trading opportunities. We'll start by analyzing the latest news and events impacting Litecoin, exploring everything from recent headlines to social media buzz. Recent news surrounding Litecoin has been dominated by the filing of a spot Litecoin ETF by Canary Capital Group. This filing has triggered a significant surge in Litecoin's price, with analysts attributing the move to the sell-the-news sentiment following its August 2nd halving. The potential for a Litecoin ETF to be approved has ignited excitement in the market, as it would provide institutional investors with a more accessible and regulated way to invest in Litecoin. However, it's important to remember that the SEC has yet to approve any spot Bitcoin ETF, let alone a Litecoin ETF, so investors need to proceed with caution. Other notable Litecoin news includes the record-breaking on-chain transaction volume witnessed over the past 24 hours, reaching nearly $4 billion. This surge in on-chain activity suggests heightened interest in Litecoin's network, potentially indicating an increase in adoption. Some analysts speculate that the recent price surge in Litecoin could be attributed to a correlation between the filing of an ETF application and Bitcoin's recent multi-month high. These developments suggest a potential bullish outlook for Litecoin, but it's crucial to assess the charts for confirmation. We'll now transition to the chart analysis to gain a deeper understanding of the technical indicators and identify potential trading setups. Let's begin by examining the daily chart of LTCUSD. We can see that Litecoin has been on an upward trend for the past few months, with a significant price surge following the news of the ETF filing. The price action suggests strong bullish momentum, but a closer look reveals some key price levels that may offer opportunities. A crucial resistance level lies around the $75 mark, where the price has encountered some resistance in recent weeks. If Litecoin can break above this level, it could open the door for further upside. However, the $70 level appears to be a strong support zone. The price has bounced off this level several times in the past, suggesting that it's a significant area of demand. The recent price surge has pushed Litecoin beyond its 200-day moving average, which often acts as a key support or resistance level. Currently, the 200-day moving average is around $65, indicating that a dip below this level could signal a potential reversal of the current bullish trend. However, it's important to consider the volume accompanying any price movements. High-volume breakouts or breakdowns often signal stronger trends, while low-volume moves can indicate weak momentum. We can also see that Litecoin has formed a higher high and higher low on the daily chart, further reinforcing the bullish trend. However, a downward reversal could occur if the price falls below the $70 support level and breaks below the 200-day moving average. We'll now switch to a shorter time frame to gain more insight into the current market sentiment. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. We can see that Litecoin has experienced a sharp breakout above the $70 support level. This breakout was accompanied by high volume, suggesting strong buying pressure. The price has continued to rally since then, breaking above the $75 resistance level. This breakout above the resistance level is another positive signal, indicating that the bulls are in control. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, on the 1-hour chart is currently above 70, indicating that the market is overbought. This suggests that a short-term pullback could be possible. However, it's important to note that the RSI has been above 70 for several hours, indicating that the current bullish momentum is strong. This suggests that any pullback could be short-lived and provide opportunities for long-term buyers to accumulate. Looking at the 15-minute chart for even greater granularity, we can identify more recent patterns. Let's delve into the 15-minute chart, focusing on the recent price action. We can observe a series of higher highs and higher lows, suggesting that Litecoin is in a strong uptrend. The price has broken above several resistance levels, indicating that the bulls are in control. The RSI on the 15-minute chart is currently above 70, confirming overbought conditions. This suggests that a short-term pullback could be in the cards, but the strong bullish momentum suggests that any pullback may be limited. We'll now recap the key price levels to watch and discuss potential predictions. To summarize our analysis, Litecoin is showing strong bullish momentum, driven by the news of the ETF filing and increased on-chain activity. The $70 level appears to be a robust support zone, while the $75 level has acted as a key resistance level, which has been recently broken. A potential breakout above $80 could signal a stronger uptrend. However, a short-term pullback could be possible if the price dips below the $75 level. For short-term traders, the overbought conditions on the 1-hour and 15-minute charts suggest potential pullbacks, which could provide opportunities for short-term entries. Long-term traders may want to consider accumulating on any dips below the $70 support level, especially if volume remains high. It's crucial to keep an eye on the SEC's decision regarding the ETF application, as a favorable outcome could propel Litecoin higher. Additionally, the ongoing developments in the Bitcoin market may impact Litecoin's price action. Watch for increased volume during any breakouts or breakdowns, as it can provide valuable insights into the strength of the trend. With a healthy dose of risk management and vigilant monitoring of key price levels and technical indicators, you can navigate the exciting world of Litecoin trading.